In this lesson, we are going to load products from database. In the home page, these products is coming from database instead of sample data in live folder. To get the source code of this lesson, go to repository on this link, go to commit section, find load products from database commit, and throughout this lesson, compare your code to this one. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to load products from database. Let us start by creating the result.ts in DB folder. We're gonna use this object to access to database. Go to DB folder, right click new file, the result.ts. Here is the source code. Import all as a schema from schema.ts. Import the result from Vercel Postgres and import SQL from Vercel Postgres. Then call the result from the result ORM. The first parameter is SQL from Vercel Postgres, and second one is an object that contains a schema in it. Then export the file DB. By having DB, we can access to all tables and send query and manipulate data. Next step is defining types for product. Let's create types folder. In the empty space of Explorer, define types folder. Inside that, right click new file, index.ts. Here is the code of types. Import products from db/schema. Import infer select model from the result ORM, and then use infer select model and pass this generic type of products. Get the result type as product and export it. Next step is creating product action. Go to live folder, create new folder for actions, and inside that create new file, set file name to product.actions.ts. Here I'm going to define get latest products and get last 4 products from the database. Client shouldn't be able to run this file, so I'm using use server to mark this file as server side only code. Import disk from the result ORM to sort. Import db from db.result.ts and import products from schema. Then export async function get latest product. Inside that, use await and get db from the result.ts, access to the query object of db, and then access to the products in query object. In products, call find many and pass this object. Here I'm setting order and limit. For order, use order by, define an array, and use disk function from the result ORM to sort descending by products.created@field. Second parameter is limit. I'm going to get only 4 records of products table, then return it. Next step is in the page.tsx in root folder. Open page.tsx. Right before return, call get latest product, but we need to make this function async because I'm using await here. Import get latest product from products action and pass latest products instead of sample data.products. Get rid of this, save the code. I'm going to pass another parameter to product list, its title, and cut this from here. Go to product list and put it right here. Then get title and put title like this. So I just make the title of product list parametric. Here I need to define title of type string, and for data, let's convert it to the product model. Replace any with product array, import product from types folder. And instead of any, use product. Go to product card. Instead of any, use product type, import it from types folder. And there we are, we don't have any anymore. Let's test the result. Run the project if you don't run it already. Awesome. Here I have list of products, but this time it's coming from the database, the Postgres Vercel database. Great, that's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.